Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some beautiful conditions across the region this morning, seeing temperatures in the lower 60s already as of 10 a.m. and it'll be rising into the lower to mid 70s across the Wallops region this afternoon. We're also going to see temperatures near 80 degrees inland, so very much like a late spring day across the region today. And we'll see, in general, no chances of precipitation or lightning across the region. Our next chance of showers will come late Wednesday during the evening hours, and a possibility of a rumble of thunder as well. So we'll continue to monitor that forecast for late Wednesday. But right now, looks like a gorgeous day for your Tuesday, as we'll have those warm temperatures, plenty of sunshine, and in general, light winds. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, high pressure in control across the region off the southeast coast. And that's allowing for that warm air mass to move over our region. We have a cold front currently stretching across the Great Lakes into the Great Plains. It's going to be approaching the region for our Thursday, giving us a very big shift in our temperatures and a more of a return to a typical March type weather with rain showers, temperatures in the 40s for our Thursday. So after we see this warm weather on Tuesday and as well on Wednesday, seeing those temperatures cool back towards seasonal averages and even below seasonal averages for our Thursday. And looking at our satellite imagery this morning, you can see we do have a lot of sunshine across the area, just seeing some upper level cirrus across the region currently, as well as a little bit of low level fog off the coast. That fog should stay off the coast today, and we'll see lots of sunshine. Taking a look at the HRRR model for today into tomorrow, you can see here in general mostly sunny skies today. Possibility that fog moves back on shore overnight tonight, as well as the evening hours with a southerly wind that picks up for the early overnight hours and then actually shifts more southwesterly overnight. We move into our Wednesday morning. We'll see more cloud cover in general over the area in the form of upper level cirrus cloudiness. We'll see some mid-level cloudiness move in during the afternoon hours. We'll have a cold front start to approach the Ohio Valley, and with that we'll see some shower and thunderstorm activity north and west of our region across the Ohio Valley into Pennsylvania for our Wednesday afternoon. That activity is going to try to shift towards our region during the evening hours of Wednesday, as we'll have a good amount of instability across the western portions of the Mid-Atlantic region on our Wednesday, especially towards central Virginia and west of the Chesapeake Bay. That looks like the best area that they'll see the instability build, as well as this upper level shortwave moving towards the region during the Wednesday evening time period. We'll continue to monitor this if this is able to approach our area. We'll have some southerly breezes for our Wednesday here at Wallops. That's going to cap our instability right along the coastline, as well as keep our temperatures should be in the upper 60s for our Wednesday, which should limit the shower and thunderstorm chances. But high-res models are continuing to show that chance for Wednesday evening, so we'll introduce that chance of some thunderstorms as well for our Wednesday evening and early during the overnight hours of Thursday. Moving into overnight Wednesday to Thursday, we'll have this cold front pass through the region early Thursday morning. That's going to have a big shift in our temperatures. Most likely will drop 15 to 20 degrees during that time period when this cold front moves through, and we'll see some rain shower activity behind that with a weak disturbance moving along that boundary as well for our Thursday. So looking at the European model here for the long range, you can see beautiful conditions today. Wednesday, in general, a very nice day. Chance of showers and thunderstorms will move into the latter portion of the evening on our Wednesday. And Thursday, we'll see this cold front moving through during the morning hours. We'll see an additional upper level disturbance riding along that after the cold front moves through. So we'll see some shower activity throughout the day on Thursday. Some of the models even showing a changeover to some light snowfall across the central Delmarva for our Thursday afternoon. Looks like that's fairly unlikely to occur at this time, but some model guidance is showing it, and even cooling temperatures down into the upper 30s to mid 30s for our Thursday afternoon. So we'll continue to monitor this. If it does change over to snow, it won't mount to anything, as the ground surfaces are very warm, as well as the temperatures will be above freezing, so it would just be some snowfall that melts once it makes its way to the surface. Moving into our Friday, we'll see high pressure quickly slide off the coast as we have a clipper moving into the Great Lakes region. That's going to give us some moderating temperatures, especially for Friday afternoon, as we'll have some southwesterly flow across the region, and seeing temperatures rebound back into the lower 50s for our Friday. Looking into Saturday, we'll see another area high pressure building in the region. It's going to give us a general good day across the region before we see some unsettled weather start to approach the region for the second half of Sunday, most likely during the evening hours, with a strong area low pressure developing into the Great Lakes region. We'll have additional disturbance riding along the coastline of North Carolina into our region, giving us some rain showers for the latter portion of Sunday. And then once we have that cold front move through for Monday, we'll see some breezy conditions as well as chance of rainfall and even embedded thunderstorms. So some unsettled conditions for our Monday with a fairly strong cold front moving through. So looking at our risk chart for today, green chart across the board, have up this high temperature or increased it to 74 degrees as we have those temperatures quickly rising this morning. Some high-res guidance has bumped up our temperatures into the 76 to 77 degree range, which the record is 77 for today. So we'll continue to monitor that forecast for today, but overall, just a warm day across the region and some very nice conditions. Our low tonight of 49, we'll see those winds out of the southwest and light this morning, turning more south-southwesterly to southerly for the early overnight hours, and we'll most likely pick up a light southwesterly wind tomorrow morning. Once those south-southwesterly winds do come on shore for later today, those temperatures will quickly drop back in the 60s after we see some 70s for this afternoon. Terminal forecast, next 24 hours, VFR conditions expected unless we do have some patchy fog develop overnight. Our tides are running normal, looking at Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday, partly to mostly cloudy with a chance of some low clouds, slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm in the evening, high 69 degrees. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy and breezy, and unseasonably mild. We'll see a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm as well, a low of 60. And for our Thursday, overcast and windy with rain showers likely, much colder or cooler with temperatures falling into the lower 40s by the afternoon. As I mentioned, some of the model guidance is picking up on temperatures even into the upper 30s by the afternoon, and a morning high of 60 with temperatures quickly falling during the morning hours in the afternoon. Red condition for our rain as well as our winds for Thursday. So we'll see a fairly unsettled day across the region for our Thursday after we have this warm air mass in place currently. So for Friday, temperatures in the lower 50s for highs, breezy conditions with partly cloudy skies. Saturday, we'll see that air mass start to moderate with the high pressure moving off the coast. 58 on Saturday, good day in general, partly cloudy skies. Sunday, we'll see increasing cloudiness, especially during the second half of the day, high around 60. We'll see some breezy conditions as well, a 30% chance of some rain showers during the evening hours, but most likely as we move closer to this forecast will be increase those chances. And for Monday, capping with a 60% chance being 7 days out, but looks like a high-end probability of seeing those rain showers and unsettled conditions for our Monday with a high around 65 degrees. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. We're back tomorrow morning, 8:15 and 10 a.m.